In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see the phone calls you're getting from Google Ads campaigns by accessing the Call Details report. This is an essential tool for anyone running campaigns that aim to connect with customers through phone calls. By understanding how to navigate Google Ads and find these details, you'll be better equipped to analyze performance and improve your advertising strategy. So let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your internet browser and head to the Google Ads homepage. It's important to make sure you're visiting the official site to ensure your data is secure. Once you're there, locate the Sign In button, which is usually at the top right corner of the website. Click on this to enter your account credentials and access your Google Ads dashboard. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but for today's guide, we're assuming you're already set up and ready to go. After signing in, you'll land on the Google Ads homepage where you can see a variety of options to manage your advertising campaigns. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new here. Next, you'll need to navigate to the Campaigns section. This is where all your advertising efforts live, and it's the gateway to your reports, including call details. Once you're in the Campaigns section, look for the menu option labeled Insights and Reports. Clicking on this will direct you to another part of Google Ads focused solely on analysis and performance insights. Here you'll find several tools at your disposal, all designed to help you understand how your campaigns are performing. Moving forward, you want to click on Report Editor. It's a powerful feature that enables you to customize and create reports based on the metrics and dimensions crucial to your business. Spend some time here if you're interested in exploring further reports that could offer deeper insights into your advertising results. The next step is to get to the specific data you're interested in, the call details. To do this, click on the option labeled Highlight. This will bring into focus the pertinent aspects of your campaigns, allowing you to drill down into specifics like calls generated from your ads. Continue by clicking on Ads and Assets. This is where you can associate different actions and metrics with your ads, giving you a comprehensive view of how each asset is performing in your campaigns. Finally, navigate to Call Details. This section will display detailed information on the phone calls that have resulted from your advertising campaigns. Here you'll see data such as call duration, the area code of the caller, and the time of the call. This information is invaluable as it allows you to see which ads are effectively driving calls, helping you to refine your strategies and focus on what works best. And that's it. You've successfully navigated to the Call Details report in Google Ads. With this information in hand, you're well positioned to optimize your campaigns and maximize their effectiveness. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.